So many of you guys have been asking me when will be the day when I finally teach you guys how to manifest money. Guess what? Today's the day here on Janelle LOA. Stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Janelle and I'm a manifestation coach with a bachelor's degree in psychology. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to manifest money, but before we get into it, check out my merch if you haven't already. You can also join our VIP Facebook group for $15 a month, where I do live Q&A sessions and post exclusive manifestation content that I'm too much of a wuss to post on here, basically. You can also come follow my personal Instagram, Janelle Godin. You can also follow Janelle LOA, of course, on Instagram. If you guys blow up that account to 10,000 followers, I will do a giveaway and give away a private coaching session on Zoom that will last an hour long, so go follow it. You can also go to my website to purchase some coaching via Zoom, or you can PayPal me if you want coaching via email. I can do both. Oh, and you can also follow me on TikTok, but you probably already do. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I want to tell you guys is that we all have our own strengths and we also all have our own challenges, and what one person is good at manifesting and what they suck at manifesting can always be very different than what another person is good at manifesting or sucks at manifesting. For me, I've always told you guys on this YouTube channel that I'm good at manifesting SPs and I'm good at manifesting losing weight fast when I want to, but I always sucked at manifesting money. I have good parents, but like many of you, I grew up on statements and sayings such as money doesn't grow on trees, and literally, like, what does that... Okay, we're gonna get into it further into this video, but for now, I just wanted to give you guys a reminder that my weakness was manifesting money for a long time, and I didn't want to post a video on how to manifest money before I changed that for myself. So the good news are that I am now making the most money I've ever made in my life, from many different sources of income. We're gonna get into that as well. Okay, so the first thing I want you guys to do to manifest money, okay, whether you're good at manifesting it already and you just want to manifest more of it, or whether you're like the way that I used to be and you suck at manifesting money, I want you to affirm, okay? I used to be scared of affirming that I made money every day because I had such strong resistance and limiting beliefs about money that it felt like lying to myself, and it was honestly exhausting to lie to myself like that, or to feel like I was lying to myself like that. And so what I actually did, okay, and what made the process of affirming that I make a lot of money easier for me is, well, there is my scripting that I've been doing for over a year now. I script every night. If you guys have been watching my YouTube videos for a while now, you already knew that, but just saying. But also taking action. You guys know I'm not the type of law of assumption coach who sits here and says, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is how you manifest money. Affirm. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. You guys know that's not me. I still believe in hard work. I still believe that there is something about working for something that makes you appreciate it and enjoy it even more once you finally get it. I do believe that working for what you want makes life worth living. And I also believe that that's the case no matter what level you're on. Like, even if your ultimate goal was to become an Olympic gold medalist and now you are an Olympic gold medalist, like, I really do believe that you're still gonna have to give yourself goals in life that you're gonna work on to be happy. That's just what I believe. I'm sorry if this is a limiting belief, but I'm just letting you guys know where I come from and why my videos are longer and not just like affirm. Subscribe and like, bye. Okay, my nightly scripting gave me the balls, okay, or the courage to start my own business, because I was like, well, if I'm going to script this every night, well, it wasn't that conscious. I think that my nightly scripting of scripting things like I make X amount of money every month, blah, 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 blah. I am rich, I am wealthy, I'm prosperous, I'm abundant and whatnot. I think that it started to reprogram my subconscious mind, and I think that that is why the universe gave me a really good business idea Being a manifestation coach never crossed my mind until I started to script that I was rich for a while. So I do believe that my scripting was like the first step that I took, okay, towards manifesting more money. The second step that I think I took towards manifesting more money, even though it was inspired action and not like a conscious, purposeful action, do you know what I mean? Like I just started my own business. I didn't realize that it was my scripting's doing. I became a manifestation coach. And what that did for me is that it took me out of the 9 to 5 prison mindset. Like it made me realize that having a 9 to 5 job or a minimum wage job is not the only way to make money, even at my age. I'm 22. I was like 21 when I started though. And when that happened, I got more courage to affirm throughout the day, not just during my nightly scripting, but also affirm multiple times throughout the day when I'm bored, when I first wake up in the morning, when I go to sleep at night. Whenever I think about money, I was no longer scared to affirm I'm rich, I have a lot of money, because starting my business made me realize that my affirmations had more chances of coming true, which isn't even true. But if you're the type of person who's able to sit on your ass and do nothing and affirm that you're rich and then it happens, good for you. But I'm just letting you guys know that for me, starting my business made my affirmations feel more authentic, okay? If you're able to brainwash yourself without needing to take any action and it works for you, perfecto, okay? Good for you. But I'm just letting you guys know how I'm manifesting money, okay? This was my journey. That being said, even when I was still working a minimum wage job and when I was in high school and I was still stuck in the 9 to 5 mindset, and I wasn't informed on all the ways that you can make money and that multiple sources of income is a good way to make a lot of money, I would still manifest getting bigger tips from clients during shifts. And I would always, not to brag, but I would often make the most tips that any employee where I worked had ever made. It wasn't a place where we got big tips. I worked at a movie theater in high school, so we got tip like toonies, you know, like we didn't get tipped like $5 bills, but I got $5 bills all the time, and my coworkers were like, what the fuck, bitch? It wasn't because I was better than them or anything. I am a people person, but so were they. And it was just because I kept affirming while working, like, I'm going to get money, I'm going to get money. But when I was in high school though, I believed in the law of attraction a lot more than the law of assumption. So the thing with the law of attraction, I still believe in it, but I still believe in the law of attraction, but I believe that it's not good for when you want to manifest fast, and it's not good for situations that are more complicated. Like, it's not good for when you really need to avoid the 3D, because the law of attraction says that your emotions matter. And obviously your emotions are often going to be in alignment with your current 3D reality, right? So I also don't like the law of attraction for that, for those types of situations. I also don't like the law of attraction for... I also think that the law of attraction isn't that good for manifesting long-term life changes. It's better for manifesting like little random things here and there, like trips, clothes. Okay, I still use the law of attraction to manifest like random, spontaneous, one-time things, okay, like trips, clothes. But when it comes to things in my life that I want to manifest and like keep and maintain, like money, SPs, then I go with the law of assumption, okay? But I'm just saying that when I was still in high school and stuck in the 9 to 5, the only way to make money is to have a minimum wage 9 to 5 job mindset, and I was very law of attraction oriented and not so much law of assumption oriented, I still managed to manifest slightly bigger tips than all my coworkers during my shifts, okay? So that was cool. That's definitely something that you can do. but I'm at a place in my life right now where I want to manifest like long-term wealth, and like wealth that increases like exponentially too, okay? So that's why I am currently using the law of assumption for that. The last thing I have to tell you guys, okay, is that this is not a step that you're going to consciously take, or maybe it will be, but it will just as likely be inspired action. You'll see when you get there. But I just want to give you guys a heads up. As you start to rehearse and repeat money affirmations as though you already have the type of financial situation that you would like to have, the universe is going to start sending you information that you didn't previously have, okay? This could come in many different forms. Information about how to start investing in the stock market, like ads here and there that will pop up on your desktop, on your laptop, or you'll meet someone who's a landlord who teaches you about how to make money off of buying properties and like doing nothing. Or you'll meet either through business ideas that the universe will give you, or networking. So like meeting people in your life that will teach you those kinds of things. And don't take those things for granted. Like those things are the universe. Those things will be the universe trying to send you money. If someone's sketchy, okay, with a goatee and the bedazzled jeans that look like you can purchase them at your local corner store, okay, DMs you on Instagram and asks you if you want a sugar daddy, okay, say no, okay? That's not the universe trying to give you money, okay? Don't judge a book by its cover, but do judge a man with a goatee and bedazzled jeans that look like he got them at the local corner store. I just want you guys to start opening up your mind to the idea of many different forms in which money could come to you, okay? Information, ideas, spontaneous ideas, inspired actions, networking, people, ads, properties, talks, rich boyfriends. What else did I write? Oh, winning the lottery tickets, okay? The universe is gonna start making those things gravitate towards you, okay? And I want you guys to seize those opportunities. Again, with using your common sense, okay? I trust you when I'm telling you this. The last thing I want to tell you guys on how to manifest money before I let you guys go is to ignore the 3D as best as you can. If you're in a rut with money, if you have $0 in your bank account, if you have credit card debt, if you have student debt to pay off, okay, I want you to still affirm to yourself, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, I am rich, and you're going to hate it and it's going to feel wrong, but just keep going, and you just have to keep going anyway. If you're not there yet, if you're not ready to affirm yet, I find scripting a lot easier. There's something about writing down something on a piece of paper that is a lot less scary than just like freestyling it in your mind. I don't know why. Maybe start with scripting, and when you're ready, then start to affirm it day in, day out. If going straight to affirming is scary for you, I don't know why, but I find scripting a lot less scary than going straight to like repeating it in my mind day in, day out. You guys know I'm not the type of manifestation coach that just tells you guys to affirm, and when you'll get it is when you will believe it's possible. Like, no, sometimes it's not that easy. Sometimes we need to take steps first to make our affirming less scary and seem more attainable. And also, we want to feel like our affirmations are going to work. We want to feel like our hard work is going to be rewarded, because it takes a lot of mental energy, okay, to affirm. Another reason why I also speak a lot about taking action and inspired action in my videos, and that I dive deep into like telling you guys to use psychology, networking, and things like that to your advantage, is that how many affirmations do you want to have to launch per day? I don't want to have to launch affirmations about 20 different areas of life, okay? Every single day of my life, okay? I don't have time for that. So I try to only affirm like the basics, okay? Yes, you can affirm if you want. I make money without even trying. I am happy without needing to work for what I want. But like, how many affirmations do you want to have to launch per day? Do you see what I mean? So that's why I encourage some action taking, some law of attraction, some law of assumption, because how many affirmations do you want to have to launch per day? I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say right now. I think that's it for today, guys. Comment down below. I am rich. I am rich. Okay? Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Share if you're feeling generous. I mean, everybody deserves to know this stuff. Everybody deserves to know that they literally control and decide the amount of money that they make, the persons that they attract in their life. You can also subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss an update. And I'll see you next time. Bye.